Upper body strength is so important for so many reasons. I'm going to demonstrate here the inverted row. And this is something you will need equipment for. So I'm here actually in a hotel room, but this is a common in-gym apparatus. It's the cable machine. You can also do it from a Smith machine or if you have a squat rack at home. And I have slowed it down dramatically just to show a few pointers on technique. So notice I'm as straight as possible. My knees are straight, not locked. And I'm keeping my shoulders away from my ears. So that's important that you're depressing the shoulder blades, not letting them sneak up to your ears. And you're recruiting or retracting your shoulder blades, thinking of pulling them together to your spine in order to initiate the movement. And I never let myself come completely to a relaxed arm where I'm just hanging. So there's always going to be a slight bend in that arm. You can see I'm at the bottom right there and then coming up again. So you do want full range of motion, but that doesn't mean go all the way to the end and hang, releasing the contraction. You want to maintain it, hold on to it. So it's smiling always when it gets to be a little bit more tough and challenging is a good idea. And that, by the way, keeps your jaw relaxed. So you're bringing your chest up toward the bar. And I could have slid myself under more. So I'm closer to my shoulders than to my chest even. But I prefer to work on the major muscles by keeping it closer to my chest. Now when you start to strain or move forward with your head and neck, you're done. There is a way to make it easier. So that's hip height. To make it easier, you raise the bar. Now this is a little bit more at correct speed. I'm going a little fast here, but that's because it's quite easy. When you're more upright, you're lifting less weight. Good starting position. To make it difficult, of course, the opposite. Now you see I'm slowing down. I don't change the speed here on the video, but it's heavy. It's hard. Again, keep your legs straight. They will want to flex, and there you have it.